To display more apps in app screen by adjusting the app screen grid in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find home screen. Tap home screen. Alternatively, you can go to this menu from the app screen. To do so, on your app screen, tap more icon or 3 vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select setting. Next, tap app screen grid. By default, your phone uses 4x5 grid for the app screen, which means in a single screen you can display up to 20 app icons. So if you'd like to be able to show more apps in your app screen, you have to set the app screen grid to a bigger value. Here there are some options available. They are 4x5, 4x6, 5x5, and 5x6. As you can see, when we choose a bigger grid, as the example 5x6, a single screen in your app screen will be able to display up to 30 app icons. Next, tap done button to save the selection and apply it to your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.